Are you tired of dry, damaged hair? Could you use a little more shine, a little more bounce? There's a solution hiding right in your kitchen: an avocado and olive oil hair mask. This natural DIY treatment can work wonders in revitalizing and rejuvenating your locks. Start by selecting a ripe avocado. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it until you get a smooth paste. Now warm up a bit of olive oil. You can do this in a microwave-safe bowl or simply heat it on the stove. Or you can just use it without warming it. Take the mashed avocado and mix it with the warm olive oil. Stir it until you get a creamy consistency. Adjust the quantity to suit the length and thickness of your hair. Now comes the fun part: application. Part your hair into sections and begin applying the mixture. Focus on the roots, the lengths, and the ends of your hair. Use your fingertips or a brush to evenly distribute the mask and massage it into your scalp. Want to boost the benefits? Feel free to add honey, yogurt, or essential oils. These natural additions can enhance the conditioning properties and the fragrance of the mask. After application, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel. This creates a warm environment that helps the nutrients penetrate the hair shaft. Let the mask sit for 30 minutes to an hour. If you can, leave it on overnight for maximum hydration. When it's time to rinse, shampoo your hair thoroughly. You might need to shampoo twice to remove all traces of the mask. If necessary, follow up with conditioner, focusing on the lengths and ends of your hair. So, what are the benefits of this mask? The olive oil and avocado work together to provide deep hydration and nourishment. They help repair and strengthen hair from within. Olive oil seals moisture into the hair cuticle, and avocado delivers essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. This promotes softness, smoothness, and elasticity. This mask also promotes scalp health. Olive oil and avocado moisturize and soothe, helping alleviate dryness, flakiness, and scalp irritation. This creates a healthy environment for hair growth. Tired of frizz? This mask can help. It smooths the hair cuticle and reduces moisture loss, leaving your hair manageable, shiny, and sleek. Best of all, this hair mask is free from harsh chemicals and additives, making it suitable for all hair types, even sensitive scalps. It's a safe, natural alternative to commercial hair treatments. Incorporate this avocado and olive oil hair mask into your weekly hair care routine. You'll notice a difference: softer, silkier, healthier hair. Your locks will thank you for it. Please, we will love to hear from you about your experience with the avocado and olive oil mask by leaving your comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.